Hello everyone, today we will be discussing two websites who are competitors, and I picked out Apple and Samsung as a great example of web design and also as a great example of competition between websites and how they utilize their strategy. So let's start with Apple. Apple's main call to action is to buy and explore their products. We can see this clearly from the pages, from the buttons like this. From the buttons like this, you can see learn more, which means to explore. And in overall, they are claiming that Apple provides the best user experience. So the website is built with JavaScript, and it uses subdomains such as jQuery and React. They also use CSS and HTML5 languages, and their web hosting provider is Apple, so they are quite individualistic in their approach to maintaining the website and building a server for themselves. We can see that the design is very fashionable, it's very eyes-pleasing, and it's very modern. And the main vibe of the website is that Apple is up to date, it is doing the most contemporary content, and you of course should choose them. So we see that Apple is utilizing sans serif fonts, and which is also translates this main idea of modern and also easy, because the website and the text is very easy to read. We can clearly distinguish the headings, the subheadings, and also the main text. So here also Pilates with Daryl, it's the main text, yeah, and here from Hit to Meditation, it's the heading. The website has negative space, which is very good for the visitor because our eyes can rest, and also it creates good hierarchy for the website, as our eyes are drawn and they are not tired. They are drawn to the headings and to the content and not tired and overwhelmed. We can also see that the layout and hierarchy is built in the way that they are promoting the product, which is more popular and I would say fairly expensive than more cheaper products. For example, we can see that iPhone 13 takes up to like the whole page of the website, whereas the AirPods cases and AirPods, new AirPods, they are using only half of the space, which triggers the visitors to choose and to learn more about iPhone rather than AirPods, which are cheaper. This is it for the Apple, and now we will move on to Samsung. So Samsung is the next famous technology company on our table, on our screen today. And also, when we are opening the website, we can clearly see that the main call to action is to buy their product now. And they are also claiming experience, virtual experience, so they are claiming to provide the best user experience as well. And they are doing a very good job in this, because their animation from the start is very complicated and very beautiful, which is a little bit different from the Apple, because we see that Apple uses a more simple approach. They are using just white or blue buttons and text, whereas the Galaxy is using more animation. So to build this beautiful animation, they are also using JavaScript and jQuery and Bootstrap on inner pages. They are using Adobe and Google Analytics, which differentiates it from Apple, because Apple doesn't seem to use any analytics, maybe some inner analytics in their website, but as I said, they are very individualistic, so they are not using a lot of external services, and which is Samsung is doing. So they are working with Adobe, they are working with Adobe Experience Manager, and also, which is in common, they are using the same language. It's HTML5 and CSS. As their web server, Samsung is using Apache, and which is also differentiates the approach of Samsung. So Samsung is working with a lot of firms and agencies to work on their website, while Apple stays within their own nature of the company. I would also love to say that Samsung is using a deeper hierarchy, a website hierarchy. As you can see, they have lots of products. So to find some products, we should really browse a lot to find, for example, Galaxy Book accessories. And even now we will see a lot of things and additional filters. Whereas Apple, we can see the menu here, and that's it. No external, no internal menu. So they are fairly simple in this. In conclusion, both of the websites are doing a fantastic job in promoting their product, in selling their product. Of course, in visual content, they are also magnificent. So I would say that we, as a young web designers, can only look up to those websites and see what we can implement from them in our work. Thank you for the attention.